So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to create AI music with Google Vids for free using the Lyria model from Google. So the first thing you need to do is to open up your browser and head over to Google Vids. Once you are signed in and on the main dashboard, look for the big New Project button to start with the black canvas. Click that and you'll be dropped right into the main editing workplace. Now, here's where the magic happens. Instead of using the standard stock audio library, look at your tool menu and navigate directly to the Lyria section. Click on that tab to open up the AI music prompt box. Finally, all you have to do is to describe the exact song you want in the text box. Be specific, include the genre, the tempo, and the emotional mood. For example, type a fast-paced, high-energy synthwave track for a tech tutorial. Once your prompt is logged in, smash that generate button, and in seconds, Lyria will split out a professional-grade 30 seconds track that you can drop directly into your timeline or download for later. It is literally that easy to score your own videos. If this quick AI tutorial leveled up your content today, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and guides like this. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.